Continuous mutation. Continuous mutation. I can't go back. I can't go back. The soldiers on the last expedition. The soldiers on the last expedition. I gotta leave. I gotta leave. It reacted to me. We need to know what's inside. Nothing comes back. Nothing comes back. It's making something new. Ventress, it's destroying everything. Lena, it's not destroying. It's making something new. Ventress and Lena share conflicting ideas about the strange happenings within the Shimmer. The doctor thinks things are being destroyed while Lena sees new life emerging.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.